Hey y'all, so let's get into this quick weave tutorial, honey. I haven't done a quick weave in a long time, and yes, I'm just going to start by braiding my hair down. I am doing a middle part quick weave, and I'm leaving like the sides or like a little bit more than my edges out. So I'm doing the braid down. Listen, we gotta take it back to the blue magic, okay? But you want to make sure you are greasing your scalp. I'm choosing to use grease instead of oil because I wanted something a little bit thicker and heavier, since my hair will be underneath this style, and you know quick weaves can get kind of itchy, so yeah, you need to put something under there that's going to protect the hair. And now I'm using the liquid cap. This is going to be a part of my hair protection method, and I'm just going to rub that in with a color brush. I'm going to put the cap on, and then I'm going to put another layer of that liquid cap. So I basically am creating like 3 barriers of protection for my hair to make sure that glue doesn't get on my hair. And then after I put this on, I'm going to go around the perimeter of the leave out, or I'm going around the perimeter, and I'm going to sit myself underneath the dryer for about 15 minutes. And you want to make sure that you don't get the glue where your hair will be, because girl, I put the glue right where my hair is going to be. So now I'm just cutting this cap off, and you want to make sure you don't cut your hair. Just make sure you don't cut the hair. So now I'm just doing an extra step, taking that concealer, and I'm going around the perimeter to kind of help me to see where I need to cut, just so we don't make any types of mistakes that we cannot undo, because once you cut that hair, you cannot undo that type of mistake. And as you can see at the top, I kind of got some glue on my hair, but that's okay because I did take the cap off on that area. Alright, this is how it should look, and now I'm using my Simply by Outre hair. The only thing about this hair is, child, it is too bright for my hair, but I already bought it. We already are in motion, so I have to use this hair. And yeah, sometimes the trouble that I have is when I get jet black hair, my hair is much lighter than jet black hair. But if I get like maybe a 2 or 4, sometimes my hair is much darker, as you can see. So I'm just trying to figure out what color I need, or maybe I need to just do a black rinse to make my hair like a jet black or a little bit darker, because yeah. So sometimes you can flip the tracks in order to keep from cutting the hair. I didn't experience much shedding, but I'm just so used to cutting the tracks from when I used to do quick weaves back in the day. So I'm just going to keep cutting the tracks, and I'm going up in a U shape, and you'll continue doing that until you get to the very top. I'm using the wax sticks, and then I'm going to use the hot comb. And girls, when I tell you this laid so flat, and it just looks so natural. Like, I'm in love with this look. So y'all, if y'all are styling it directly after it's been installed, make sure you are careful because I did pull my track out. I could have curled this a lot better. I could have used my wand curler or my curling iron. I really didn't like how it looked curled, so I just decided to wear it straight. So I wasn't feeling the curls too much, so I pressed it out again, and I love the way it looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.